guys, welcome back. In this video you can learn how to change username on TikTok. First step is open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Then click on profile icon which is on the right bottom corner. Then click on edit profile. Click on username is the first option. Then your existing username and type new username. But make sure your input username must be correct, because when you set your username you cannot rechange it until after 30 days. Then click on save in the right top corner. After all, you can see new username will be updated.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.